In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a no-reply email in Google Workspace. A no-reply address is perfect for notifications and automated messages where you don't want or need responses. The goal here is simple. We'll create a Gmail routing rule in the admin console that rejects incoming messages to your chosen no-reply address, so senders get a clear bounce and your team's inboxes stay uncluttered. You'll need Google Workspace admin access for this walkthrough. If you plan to use a specific no-reply address or alias, make sure it already exists in your directory or as a group before you begin. Start by signing in to the admin console. From the home page, head to Apps. This is where Google Workspace services are managed for your organization. Open Gmail to access delivery, compliance, and routing settings. Inside Gmail settings, look for routing. This is the control center for how incoming mail is handled. Open routing, then select Configure to add a new rule. You'll see a configuration window with options that determine which messages the rule applies to and what action Gmail should take. Set the rule to apply to inbound mail so it only affects messages coming from outside your domain. In the same configuration, you will be able to target the specific recipient you have in mind, such as your no-reply address or group. Make sure you scope the rule carefully so you don't disrupt delivery to other users. If your organization uses multiple domains or aliases, double-check you've selected the correct destination address. Next, locate the section for message handling. Expand Modify Message, then choose Reject Message. This tells Gmail to bounce any inbound email that matches your rule, which is exactly what we want for a true no-reply mailbox. If you see an option to include a rejection notice, consider adding a short, friendly line like "This mailbox isn't monitored." That way, senders immediately know their message wasn't delivered and why. When the rule looks right, click Save. The change will roll out shortly, though it can take a few minutes to propagate across your environment. Once active, any email sent to that no-reply address from outside your domain will be rejected automatically, preventing replies from landing anywhere internally. A couple of best practice reminders. Keep the rule tightly scoped to just the no-reply destination, document the setting for your IT team, and when sending outbound messages from this address, include a helpful link or alternative contact method in the body of your emails so people know how to reach support if they truly need assistance. That's it. Your no-reply address in Google Workspace is now properly locked down.